everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm starting off my weekly cleaning video early because I actually have motivation. The days I don't work, I feel like I have more motivation to do stuff. So today I usually work on Mondays, but I had a doctor's appointment this morning. So I woke up, but I couldn't sleep in because I felt like I wasn't going to have enough time to... What, honey?
Guys, I have pins and parents. That's
I have both of my family with me, but I feel like I didn't have enough time to sleep in and get everything done. So what I ended up doing is waking up, getting dressed, going to the doctor's appointment, and then going to Walmart, did my haul already. So now usually this time is when Ben and I start going to Walmart, but we are just going to stay at home, and all of a sudden I'm not like tired, I'm not like emotionally drained. Ben's going outside to chill. Aren't ya? Yeah. So he's going to go outside and hang out. It's a little chilly outside, but the sun's out. It's a lot nicer than what it was before, so we got that going on. I'm going to take him outside to play in a little bit, but the stuff I want to work on today is cleaning my kitchen because we were home all weekend, so it got a little messy. I have to empty the dishwasher and then put all the dishes in there, but that's like an everyday thing, which is fine. So I'm going to work on the kitchen again today. I yelled at the husband yesterday, or today he made something, and I'm like, pick it up, you pick it up. So he did. So I just got to clear up some stuff, put some stuff away. And then what I'm going to actually do today, I think I'm just going to wash all the baby bottles and all that stuff and get the cabinet figured out. And I told you guys what I wanted to work on last week's video, but what I'm going to do is organize this and get all the bottles and everything all situated. So we're going to work on that. So I don't know what else we're going to do, but I'm going to work on that. I'm going to clean up the kitchen first, and then I'm going to work on the bottles so I can show you guys. But yeah, it's got some dishes piled up. It happens it's a lost cause. But I mean, it's not that bad to clean up now, but we're going to clean it up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in a little bit. Okay, so I found all the bottles, so Ben helped me put them all in the sink, so I'm going to start washing them. I'm just trying to find gloves, because I have this is really hot water. I found my little drying rack thing, so I'm washing that. I got more samples of these bottles. I really like the Advent, so I'm going to kind of really force these on her, because I know some babies are super picky, but these are the ones that Ben used. So we found those. Don't mind my mess, but I did find other stuff that I had from when Ben was born that I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Like, these are all containers that I kept. And these are containers because I made him baby food, so I'm going to keep those. I don't have to wash those until a little bit later, but I kept all the covers and everything. I got some other stuff. This needs to be washed, but I'm not going to wash those until she's ready for solids. I got a pacifier, which I have to wash that. And then I got a hand breast pump that I have that I used at work. I got some more bottles that I probably won't use. I got some bibs that I found, some silicone bibs. I found a lot of silverware, but again, I don't need a lot of this stuff until about 6 months after she's born. I found a lot of baggies, which I didn't think I had this much, so I can take that off my registry. And I found some random sippy cups and stuff, which I am not a big fan of. A lot of these leaked, so I'm pretty much going to probably just throw those away. So this is all the baby stuff I have. Then I'm going through, this is my pump from last time, but I'm just going to go through this. I'm going to start washing dishes, and I will show you guys what I'm going to do next. I'm trying to figure out how to clear out my cabinet, but this is what I am working on right now. So I spent pretty much like a half an hour to 45 minutes doing the dishes. So I washed everything, and then I headed out here to dry. I took the nipples and I actually put them in the cabinet to figure out what I'm doing, and then I just flipped up all these cups to have them dry out more. I didn't realize how much bottles I had.
Mama.
Hold on, honey. I didn't realize how many bottles I had because when I registered then they saw it, honey. When I registered with Ben, I only registered for like 8 bottles, and then I kept getting samples and samples and samples. So that is the reason why I have so many bottles, but once she's out of bottles, I'm getting rid of them right away. But what I ended up doing, we have the dishwasher on right now, but I ended up These have like numbers on it, so there's like 1, 2, 3, and 4. It just depends on the flow. So I ended up separating these, so these are all clean. They're all ready to dry. Don't get it all dirty, honey. And so what I did is I kind of cleaned out the cabinet a little bit. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing, but I ended up getting this rack. I had this rack, so I'm going to try to figure out what I should do. I think I'm going to put the bottles down here, and I don't know yet. I'm trying to figure things out. I still have to put all my samples of formula here, and then this shelf's going to be Ben's shelf. I'm going to put all of his sippy cups in here, and then the covers, and then this will be her shelf. So we're going through it. I'm still figuring out what I'm doing, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I got Benjamin, my helper. Say hello, baby.
Hello, Dad.
So he's ready to help me. But other than that, let's continue on to the next item. Hello, everybody. It's another day. It's my normal Wednesday where I start to film, and I have been realizing I have been in a lot of pain. Yesterday I went shopping with my mother-in-law, and we went shopping not even that long, and my feet were killing me when I got home. I couldn't even stand up. I had to have Graham rub my legs. I even had to take Tylenol, and I don't like taking Tylenol, but it was so bad. I'm like, I need something. But we ended up getting some stuff. She got me some baby stuff that I need because I have a feeling the baby will be coming a lot sooner than I think. I had my ultrasound, and she's like, if you guys can see my bump, I got my pajama bottoms on, but she is like right there. She presses on my stomach a lot. I thought my water broke this morning, and I'm like, no, it just felt like it, but it didn't. So I am getting there, you guys. So that means I am on, like, let's get going. Let's hurry up and get this room cleaned up. So what I'm going to do for a little bit today is work on her room. I'm starting to go through her. I gotta get rid of some, like, these are all Ben's clothes that I found from cleaning. I have to start getting a box ready of Ben's stuff. We are gonna have a rummage sale soon, and I'm just thinking of other stuff to sell, so I definitely want to do that because I'm gonna make a little spot where like clothes are like for $1 or something just to get rid of. So I want to work on that. I want to get all of this crap out of here. Like, a lot of this stuff is just super easy. Like, Graham just needs to put the paint stuff away, but other than that, I just got to put some stuff away. But what I want to tell you guys about, and most of you guys did see, was her. Okay, so as you guys saw, we posted the video of what we are naming her. We are naming her Charlotte. That is after my grandma from my dad's side of the family. She died when I was 17 years old. But she was my only, like, grandma that I got to really see. My other grandma died before I was born. But my other grandma's having her middle name. So both the grandmas are in the family. But what I wanted to share with you guys is, if you guys watch this, the crib is not centered with her name. And it bothers me. Graham's like, no, it's fine. I'm like, no, it bothers me. Because if you guys look with the closet door open, there's like very little spot here. But there's a huge chunk here. So what I ended up doing is going to Target, and I found this flower. So what I want to do, and I want you guys to give me your honest opinion, is, and I did look around, but what I'm going to do is put this flower right next to her name. But I don't know if I should leave the flower the way it is. I mean, it'll go the way it is. Or if I should spray paint it a different color. It is a light pink. But let me know what you guys think. I mean, I like it. I might just leave it the way it is. I don't like the rub marks on it, if you guys can kind of see it. But other than that, yeah. So that is what I want to do. I just got to figure out what I want to do. I'll wait for your guys' opinion before I hang this up. But either spray paint it or do something. I might just put it up on the wall now, and then I can always take it down and spray paint it. But I am still looking for the changing pads. I had, well, the pads, but the covers, I had 2 of them, and I literally cannot find any of them. I don't know what the heck I did with it. One's lime green, one's bright orange. Like, how do you just lose it like that? So I still gotta find that. But other than that, I am getting everything ready for that. So I'm just gonna kind of clean her room up a little bit. And then when Graham and I have some free time this week, or definitely this weekend, we're putting the changing table together. We are putting the swing together because I just want to be prepared. I don't even want to pack my hospital bag yet, because when I had Ben, an hour prior to me packing my hospital bag, my water broke. So I'm not ready for that yet. I don't want to jinx myself. So not ready for that yet. But other than that, I'm just going to get some stuff ready. But that's what I'm going to work on today. So I'll keep showing you guys this, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today is Friday, and I'm continuing my mess of cleaning. I am kid-free for at least 2 hours. So what I'm going to do while I'm kid-free is I'm going to start boiling the Easter eggs. So I got my pan right here. I'm going to turn it on medium. And what I end up using is this little thing right here. This is called, I don't know, it's called Eggy Time, but what it does is you just put it in there, and it's orange. And then what you do is you put your eggs in there, and then when the eggs are done, this thing is completely yellow. So that's how I do my hard-boiled eggs. So what I'm going to do is grab the eggs and continue on. So yeah, so right now it's on like medium. So I'm just going to put these eggs in here. I'm going to do 18 of them because I can, and that's what we got. And I love egg salad sandwiches, so I will be eating, oh, this one's got a crack in it. I will be eating a lot of them like crazy. So I'm gonna get this started, let the water start going. You don't even have to boil the water, you just have to have it, you know, at a reasonable temperature. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I worked on her room. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to apologize to you right away. I'm extremely out of breath. I just walked up 2 flights of stairs, so I am like super out of breath. But last night I kind of worked on the room a little bit. I'm really hoping to work on it more this weekend. I don't do good unless my husband's with me lately. I just have zero energy. So I'm going to have Graham help me with this. I'm hoping I have this room pretty much done in like a week. I'm really hoping. But what I ended up doing is I found the changing table pad cover, so I got that. So that's where we're going to change her diaper until, you know, she comes more movable. Put the stuff on the shelf. I got to get some more books and put some on the shelf. I'm starting to get my hospital stuff ready to go, but I'm going to move this basket and put a lamp on top. I found a picture to put on that wall, so we're going to do that sometime soon. But other than that, I mean, I did clean up the room. I'm clearing off the bed. A lot of this stuff just needs to go away. So we are working on it. It just takes a little bit, but one day at a time. And then now I'm going to start working on Ben's Easter basket because I need to do it when he's not here. So couldn't find my basket, and that's one he always uses, but we got this one. I got this for 90% off at Walgreens last year. So I'm going to use this. But I'm going to start getting his basket ready. And then another thing I'm going to do is I'm making a gift bag for Graham and Ben to have when I have the baby. So there's going to be like some toys and stuff in there for Ben and some snacks because he'll be at the hospital with us for a little bit. And then I got some snacks for Graham just because he's a little kid too. So I'm going to start getting that stuff all ready to go and packed up because you never know when we're going to have the baby. So I want to have that stuff ready to go. So that's what I'm going to work on. I am not gonna show you guys what's in the gift bags until later. I can show you guys I might film it now, but I'm not gonna post it up until like after the baby's born because I want to surprise Graham and show him what's in there because he watches my videos. So but I'll show you guys something like that, or I could show them unboxing them when we do the hospital video. So I just want to do that, but let me get Ben's Easter basket all ready to go, and I will show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I did Ben's Easter basket. Everything worked out fine. Cutting back a lot on candy with him, so I ended up getting him an emoji coloring book, a 5-pack of Hot Wheels. I did have another pack of Hot Wheels. I think it's right here. And then we got him the Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet movie. He's obsessed with Smashers, so I found some on clearance at Target for like 50% off, but he's not going to pay attention to the sticker, so it doesn't matter. He's also into Mighty Beans, so I got him some Mighty Beans that they also had 50% off on that, and then I got some gummies for SpongeBob, and then some Airheads and Skittles, and then I got one of these little stress things. But and then we also got these Whack-A-Packs from the Dollar Tree. So that's everything that I'm getting him for his little Easter basket. I mean, it's something simple, not a lot, but he's obsessed with a lot of this stuff right now. So I thought this is actually a cute little Easter basket. I mean, it probably cost me like, I don't know, I think I paid like 30 bucks for everything in here, but didn't want to go super crazy. But I ended up, I'm going to share with you guys anyways, I ended up packing his little bag of goodies for the hospital. I ended up getting a button that says Big Brother on it. I got some snacks in here for him. Another thing of Smashers. One thing of Mighty Beans. Another 5-pack of Hot Wheels. These little blind bags that they have at the Dollar Tree. Another stress thing in here. I got him some Oreos in here. And then there's some Goldfish. And then there's some gummies down in the bottom. And then I got him a Hot Wheels like little coloring book. So I thought this would be a cute little gift to give him when he's in the hospital, just because, you know, he's a big brother. I know he's a little spoiled, but that's fine. But otherwise, that's what I just kind of wanted to give him, with some stuff to do in the hospital, or while we're at the hospital, he can play with Grandma and Grandpa's house. So, but that's it. Other than that, on to the next item. So the eggs are still cooking. As you can see, there's a little bit of yellow on the outside, so that means it basically shows like that's how much is going on. But I'll continue guys the process, but this thing is a life changer. I love this thing. So on to the next. Okay, so this probably, I don't know, boiled for, I don't know, I was upstairs for a little bit. Now my camera's fogging up, but anyways, the thing is completely yellow, so I'm just gonna let this sit here and let it cool down. But that's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. You don't have to sit there and put a timer on or anything. That just tells you when the eggs are finished, which I love. So I am emptying the dishwasher right now. This never ends. This never ends. But this is one thing I don't mind doing. I don't mind doing the dishwasher. So I'm just going to work on that and have a snack and relax for a little bit, and then figure out what I'm going to do for the final part of this video, and then on to the next thing. Okay, you guys, so I never finished my video. I'm tired. I had a long day at work today, even though I work a 4-hour shift. But my goal right now is to work on this. So I'm going to work on this with Graham right now, and then we're going to build the changing table. So what I just wanted to share with you guys is just this. This is what we're going to do, and then in next week's video you guys will see the changing table. So gonna clean this up. Other than that, that is my weekly cleaning video. Not much, because it's getting harder and harder for me, but I still wanted to share with you guys what we're still doing, and I'll still continue sharing with you guys everything else. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys all later. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Next video.